Hello friends, in this video we intend to go through the steps of the Fusion Markets Broker Dashboard tutorial together. When we enter the trading cabin in the Fusion Markets Broker, you will see the title of the page at the top of the screen, which is related to managing trading accounts. In this section there are two options, Live and Demo, which allow you to view real and demo accounts. In the Live Accounts section, as you can see, there is a real account. The login number that can be copied is the account type, which is Classic. The trading platform that we can use for trading in MetaTrader 4, the selected server is USD, and the chosen leverage is 1 to 500. By clicking on the Fund Now option, you can fund your trading account. And at the top of the card, where the Edit and Security Change icons are located, by clicking on the Account ID option, you will be able to change the details related to your trading account, which includes changing your password. And by clicking the Hide Account option, you can hide this account. And this option is related to your performance, and it can be seen from the time you have funded your account and the related details of your trading account. You can check your trading account. You are returning to the trading dashboard. In the left menu, you will see the payment option, which includes options for fund account, internal transfer, and withdrawal. By clicking on each option, the corresponding menu will open for you. The next part is the news section, which is related to It's about news related to financial markets and economic changes. The first option is the Discovery option, which is to discover new features, but we don't see anything specific in this section at the moment. The next section is the Market, which displays verbal analyses and market sentiments regarding various symbols. These tools often use algorithms. It shows users trends in popular news. In this section, you can check the currency you are interested in across different markets. The next part is Sentiment, which shows the market sentiment and is related to showing the general tendencies of traders. Buying or selling is related to trading symbols. For technical traders who are looking for the overall market sentiment, the Sentiment section is very useful. And in this section, you have the option to search for your desired symbol. The next option is My Newsfeed, which specifies your personal newsfeed. And there's the possibility to set up personalized news feeds based on user interests and specific trading symbols. By clicking on the New Feed option, you can create a new feed in this section and add it to your My News Feeds page. The next option is Trade Ideas, which includes two sections, Analyst Views and Technical Insight. This section offers trading suggestions based on technical analysis, or it offers fundamentals in various markets such as Forex, crypto, stocks, etc. In this section, you have the option to search for the symbol you are looking for. And the next option is Technical Insight, which usually includes trading signals, suggested entry and exit points, and identified patterns. In this section, you can view and add the items you are interested in to your watch list. By clicking on the New Watch List option, you can add your desired symbol to this section. Add it. By clicking on the New Watch List option, you can add your desired symbol to this section. The next section is the Trading Calculator. In this section, explore tools for calculating risk, trading volume, desired margin level, required margin level, potential profit and loss, entry and exit points, and other specialized items. This tool is very important for precise trade management and risk control. In this section, you choose the financial markets. You choose the symbol of the opinion leader. By entering the amount you intend to invest in the symbol and clicking on the Calculate option, this tool will manage that for you. The next option is the Economic Calendar. In this section, you will be shown the date and time of the release of important economic data such as interest rates, inflation indices, and employment reports, and from the inflation section, calendar. You can select the date you want, filter out the items you don't want, and view the information in this section. The next item is download, where you can see the possibility of downloading trading platforms such as MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Trading Views, CTRader, and Analyst Views. Help files or default settings can be downloaded in this section. The next item is promotions, where advertisements and special offers are displayed, including new proposals like trading bonuses, discounts on spreads, or incentive terms. The Refer a Friend option allows you to receive rewards from the broker by inviting your friends. When you click the Start option, the details related to each of the rewards will be displayed to you. In this section, by copying this link and sending it to your friends, you can receive rewards from the broker. The next option is Fusion Plus, which is related to cooperation with the Fusion broker. In this section, you can find explanations about collaborating with the Fusion broker, especially for users who want to earn income by referring the broker to others. My Invitations episode. There are users who have been added to the broker by you, and the My Followers section is for those who have automatically copied your trades in their accounts through copy trading. Currently, this feature provides an opportunity for traders with a history of successful trades to earn passive income. Currently available for traders with a history of success, there's an opportunity for passive income. The next option is My Board Active copies, which are related to your active accounts that others are copying from. The next option is Leaderboard. In this section, if you perform well, you will be able to achieve a high ranking in this table and attract other users to copy your trades. This can give you extra income through copy trading. We will examine the aspects related to copy trading in detail in upcoming videos. The next section is Spot Crypto Trading. This page is about Day 1 exchange in the broker. Fuji Market is where you can engage in digital asset transactions, buy and sell assets, or trade with minimal fees and without the need to verify your identity again. By clicking the Join Dvan Xcard option, you can start buying, selling, and trading. Let's return to the trading cabinet, and in the New Account section, you can create a new trading account. In the Profile section, you can manage your profile details. Contact us, which is related to Fusion Markets broker support. By entering your personal information, you can register your message in this section and send it to the broker. The next option is Logout. By clicking this option, you will log out of your account at Fusion Markets. The next section is about notifications, which is useful if you have a message from the broker or news related to the markets, and the economic calendar and economic news will be displayed to you in this section. The next section is the broker's language setting. By changing it, all parts of the broker will switch to the language you selected. We have reviewed the features related to the Fusion Markets dashboard together. In the upcoming videos, we will teach you step by step how to deposit and withdraw at Fusion Markets broker.